Resetting your voicemail password, an easy guide.
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to walk you through the process of resetting your voicemail password without needing to call customer service. Yes, you heard it right. No lengthy hold times or complicated customer service menus. Let's dive right in.
Is my carrier's app available?
Many mobile service providers allow you to manage your voicemail settings, including resetting your voicemail password, right from their mobile apps. Here are some steps you might follow. 1. Download your mobile carrier's app from your respective app store if you haven't already. 2. Log in with your account credentials. 3. Navigate to the voicemail settings or a similar menu in the app. 4. Look for an option to reset voicemail password. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. Remember, not all carriers offer this functionality. If yours does not, don't worry. You still have options, which we will cover in the next section.
Can I reset my voicemail password through my phone settings?
If your carrier's app does not allow you to reset your voicemail password, your phone settings might. This process might vary slightly depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. For Android users, 1. Open the Phone app. 2. Tap on the Menu button. 3. Navigate to Settings. 4. Look for a Voicemail option. 5. You may see an option to change voicemail password. For iOS users, 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone. 3. Tap on Change voicemail password. Note, if you do not see these options in your phone settings, your carrier may not support this method. You will have to use another method or contact customer service.
Is there a reset code I can dial?
Lastly, some mobile carriers allow you to reset your voicemail password by dialing a specific number or code from your phone. You would need to find out the specific code for your carrier. Be aware, if you use this method, make sure you're able to immediately access your voicemail to set a new password, as your voicemail may be vulnerable to unauthorized access until you do. And that's it. With these tips, you should be able to reset your voicemail password without having to make a call to customer service. Remember, if you're still unable to reset your password using these methods, reaching out to your carrier's customer support may be necessary. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide was helpful to you.